Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here with your April Double Shot Kit for 2020. The Double Shot Kit comes out every month and includes 2 collections for cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. This is a perfect kit to get some new products coming in each and every month. And if you're looking for a little bit more, then check out our Flavors of the Month kit. I'll have videos linked at the end, and there will be links to the shop down below. So this month's Double Shot Kit is absolutely gorgeous. We have some florals, some pinks, and some aquas, some of my favorite things. So the 2 collections are Hey Hello from Jen Hatfield and HopHooray Simple Stories. So you're going to see we have kind of an everyday happy occasion as well as an Easter collection. But when you dig in and you look at all of it, you're going to see that you can scrapbook just about anything with them. It is not very heavily themed, so that is perfect for most of us scrapbookers. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these collections. So our first collection from Jen Hatfield, the Hey Hello collection. We have this paper called Happy Day. It has all these gorgeous flowers on it and all of the different colors for this collection. The back is a diagonal stripe, and again you'll see all of the colors featured. Then we have this one called Donuts, which are little sprinkled donuts on a turquoise background, and the back says Hooray over and over again on yellow. Then we have this cute little hedgehog paper that's inside of cupcakes. Super cute. This one's called Cupcake Surprise. And the back is this gorgeous plaid. So you can see, you can definitely scrapbook anything that you'd like with this collection. We also have full branding strips. So we have a Happy Birthday to You, a stripe, and a polka dot. For the cardstock, you're going to receive 2 sheets of white cardstock and 1 sheet of bubble gum. For the embellishments, you're going to receive some of the ephemera pieces. So these are the ones that I got. They will vary among the kits, but lots of large all the way down to small pieces and little word labels. There's a little tag, a heart. So you can see it's all about kind of just your days. Thanks, hello, congrats, hooray, thanks. And these are perforated, so you can tear off each one of these and use individually. This one also is perforated, so if you have pieces like that in your kit. And then this super cute cup, which I love. Then you're also going to receive some gold puffy stickers. So these are great phrases, again, just everyday sentiments. And you're going to receive a half a pack of the sticker sheet. So these will vary, but all of these cute icons that are in this collection, there's lots of adorable little critters and beautiful florals. And of course, some cupcakes. So that is a look at Hey Hello from Jen Hatfield. Our next collection is HopHooray from Simple Stories. So this is an Easter collection, but of course you can see right now from the papers you could scrapbook anything. Has lots of spring type of embellishments, so it doesn't necessarily have to be Easter layouts. So this paper is called Spring Fling. It has these beautiful florals on the turquoise background, and the back is a yellow and white checked. This one called Hello Peeps. And it is a gorgeous plaid in all of the different colors. And the back is an aqua polka dot, tone on tone. Just look at those gorgeous colors. This one is called Bunny Tails, and so it's all the little polka dot circles in the different colors. And the back is a pink tone on tone polka dot. So just beautiful spring colors. For your cardstock, you're going to get 2 sheets of Kachina cardstock and 1 sheet of natural. For your embellishments, you're going to get some enamel dots, so the colors will vary, but I got yellow ones. And then half a pack of the bits and pieces. So these will vary as well, but there are some large pieces that you can use for titles, banners, and icons. So they have some little Easter eggs, and so all things spring. So that is HopHooray from Simple Stories. With your double shot kit, you'll also receive 2 recipe cards designed by the design team for double page layouts. They'll include cutting assembly instructions and a full color photograph of the finished layout. So you'll have lots of inspiration from the get-go. And then come over to the Facebook group and the blog to check out all the other projects made with the kits. Check out some of the other kits available in the store by clicking on the links here. And thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.